Bernie Vasquez, Wildcat,
proudly detailed by Clean Craft Detailing. Maybe you saw that earlier in the static display area. Yeah. Apparently he's lost red hair, blue sweatshirt, LA Dodgers. That's where LA Dodgers. The yellow hat. LA Dodgers sweatshirt and glasses. I did warn you earlier, though, if you get lost kids here, we are going to feed them full of Red Bull. Round Bernie goes, having the time of his life, doing what he loves. And I'm going to warn you now, if you talk to Bernie, it's
the top speed of the
Deputy Zero, U.S. Navy pilots, including John Jimmy Thatch, pioneer of fighter tactics. He's happy to deal with the Zeros, but he greatly dissatisfied with the inferior performance against the Zero in Battle of Midway. Hellcat could rely on superior power and high speed performance to outperform the Zero.
Wildcat serving on escort carriers with a larger 153 combat sorties, 14,000 of those from carriers, destroying a claim figure of
327 in a year. Cost 178 in losses. 24 of those to ground and shipboard fire, 49 to operational causes. Very impressive airplane. That's Pratt & Whitney power you hear, the big round engine, 14 cylinders, air-cooled radial piston engine.
develops 1,200 horsepower.
The Hellcat could rely on superior power and high speed performance to outperform the Zero.
Wildcat serving on escort carriers with a larger and much...
That's an aeronautical term, by the way, the Dipsy Doodle. He just loves to fly. Such a hard sell to get him.
Happy to